You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
Alrighty, welcome back everybody to the show. Now he is known first for football. Me never know this, me just hear this. But later for inventing and revolutionizing dancehall music with his signature dance moves and high energy performances. And he continues to be a standout figure in Jamaican entertainment. Ding dong! Well, we really win a while ago, but because I mean I want Argentina color, I'm gonna make it go on.
Okay.
Welcome.
You know, sir, your mother tell us to stop sorry for people.
No, but you see, me is an Argentine myself. So by default.
You're what?
Me is an Argentine. Messi, I'm a baller, man. So a lot of people don't know that you were really into football first. How the football journey they go? Talk to me about that.
We did play like from Manning Cup, Clan Clarty. We did play primary school football, then Manning Cup. For Donald Quarry, then Mountain View, Santos, all them things. I just decided to I'm gonna stop playing football and dance it, you know. In real life. Yeah.
So what happened? Was it something happened or one day you just wake up and say, you know, music and dancing and that's where I'm
No, it was far to the realization because whenever they get no money off of football certain way, unless they play for Jamaica where them still have to fight for pay Jamaica football at the time too. So me just say, yo, I know you reach certain age and you want a girlfriend and them thing, you have to look at something them and then one day I'm gonna get one injury. And I me have to pay for the for physio and everything. I have to pay out of my pocket and I say this don't make no sense, you know. Try dancing feet, you know.
Put it down.
So you can play though?
Yeah, but I'm not really run again like that, you know. Unless,
Yeah.
So more time.
Cross the stage.
Yeah. We try preserve the foot them.
But both is high energy if you look at it, because the type of dancing you do on stage, you really need a whole lot of energy and endurance to be able to do that. So between football and a ding-dong performance on stage, which one take more out of you physically?
Why? Performance on the stage, a wicked thing, you know. Trust me, man.
You jump
in real life,
crowd.
Because remember, you have to sing and sometimes you have to sing high and sometimes you have to have the energy right through and what the song. Remember my song, the man like, you understand, sit down in a chair song, the man. You get me? So the energy on the stage and then me have some dancers on the stage where they feed them energy through the roof all the while. So me have to make sure, say, my energy.
So maybe the football endurance help you then with the stage performance?
But from black then it a work out from black then to the stage, you know it work. It played part.
We see her rep the Argentina jersey.
Yeah, the greatest.
The Argentina look-alike jersey. In terms of club football, locally and internationally, who are your favorite clubs?
Locally and internationally?
Yeah.
Jaja God. I want a serious question that because we usually have Harborview, the rate, and Santos, Mountain View.
Yeah, Spanner.
Spanner. Big up Spanner.
In return, you know, finally.
Yeah, Jaja God, we didn't know that Spanner, but Spanner teach you a whole heap of things as youth, and you know what I mean? Tough coach pan play them more time, but him know, you understand? So big up Spanner. It's my deal. Internationally now, you have to go anywhere Messi a play. So right now, I'm the Inter Miami. And right now, I'm the Argentina.
Right, so like
anyway,
Inter Miami, in the Inter Daytime Live, when they have talk about football, we're going to watch him perform. We're going to take a quick break after his performance and do a fall back. But I'll give him some time for us. Stretch him leg.
One up. One up.
Yeah.
One up. Keep up.
Southside. Yeah. This one is goal! My score. DFT, one up. Every dance we should go then shop. Somebody die, nowadays them flop. We no wait till the price them drop. We go shop, we no buy gal nothing and take that back. Hey, one up. Hey, one up. One up. Hey, one up. One up. Hey, DFT matter. Hey, so put your hand in the air and rock. Everybody hand in the air and rock. Put your hand in the air and rock. Everybody hand in the air and one up. One up. One up. One up. One up. DFT matter. I want up when the haters see me. Clean like a ready. Anyway, you go. Turn up in the system, no we ever try. Like Sean to tell them so we ever live in. Argentina for World Cup. One up. One up. Aye. One up. One up. One up. One up. So put your hand in the air and rock. Everybody hand in the air and rock. Put your hand in the air and rock. Everybody hand in the air and bravo. Like on me birthday. Champagne car fly, rippy runway. Say them a gal is them a make her run a serve. Hey, a cheap gal way a friend in I see a play. We no do time, brother, we no club share. I can't top my hands, no a break. Hey, when we a shop a street, we no the lay away. And when we use daytime life, everybody one up. One up. One. One side. One up. One up. One up. Reinforce. So put your hand in the air and rock.
See that dirt light trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and on the floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.